haven't did a truck driving video in a while, man. So here we go. We're about to be replaced. You hear me? We're about to be replaced. If you ain't got no other skill, you're in trouble. You better get you another skill. You better acquire another skill because we're about to be replaced, man. Okay? The day and age is coming, man, from, you know, the Terminator movies and the Back to the Future movies and all this stuff is coming to fruition right now, man. That being said, it's this company called Aurora, trucking company, man. They're planning on putting 1,000 trucks on the road, no driver.